Life keeps on going every single day. Whether you're participating in it or not, whether you're choosing to make good choices, life keeps on going. And so for me, it was a moment to take pause and just to think, how will I make today different? How will I make today count? One of the things I say every morning when I wake up is, this is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. And so I encourage you, I invite you to join me in rejoicing in today. Choose to renew your mind. And when you find yourself not wanting to take action, when you find yourself wanting to complain, when you find yourself saying this is just another day, will you choose to reframe it?